Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, this is Onu-Imo and I'm going to be taking you guys down to Abia Tower to be showing you how far the road construction has come. Now this is Imo River and this river serves as part of the boundary between Abia State and Imo State, and just beneath the Imo River you can see, or very close to the bridge, you can see the construction has already been taking place, and I'm going to be taking you down to Abia Tower. Like I said, this is Umuokpara in Abia State. If this is the first time you are tuning into my channel, you're welcome, and if you're a returning viewer, I really appreciate you all for always making a chance to watch my videos. So kindly watch this video down to the end, as there are a lot of things I'm going to be showing you in this video. This road, is undergoing expansion from 2-lane dual carriage to 4-lane dual carriage. Now the road wasn't as wide as it is now. The road is undergoing a serious reconstruction. Yes. Now, one good thing about the reconstruction of this road is that when people are coming into Abia State from the Onu-Imo area, they are going to be welcomed with a very clean road, a water panel, so that if they are coming into a state, they will know that yes, okay, this state something there, or this state they work. But when they are coming into a state and the road they are applying on, or is not nice, morale go fall. You understand? So guys, if you have not clicked the subscribe button, please help me to click the subscribe button and the notification bell above, so that whenever I drop a new video, you'll be notified and you'll be among the first people to watch my video. So make I switch to broken small. You understand? So if you dey watch this video like this, you go see say the drainage where they construct here no be beans, no be bobo juice. Now very solid drainage wey be say chop cement belle full. You understand? Now you dey see am na see heavy duty machines. You understand? Now if you check all the roads where they lead to Abia State, like the entrance to Abia State, you go see say the governor he make sure say he dey work everything. You understand? So that if people they enter the road, you understand, people enter the state, they go know say yes. You understand? Say they play, they show. You understand? Now back then for school, we be say people they if I tell them say from Abia State, they go they laugh, they go they pour spit for my face. Now as soon as they watch this video, now they see as it they happen for Abia State, now una they cry, now they regret on our life. You understand? Because I don't believe say Abia State you go ever turn to waiting it be. Now no worry, una go regret on our life, more they come. So guys, this video you guys are taking to, and now I can't turn again from Abia Tower. So I want to show you guys now from Abia Tower, now going down back to Onu-Imo, how it be. Now if you watch, you can see because of the expansion of this road. If you check all these poles we stand for, beside this beside, in fact, this area where they never asphalt, where asphalt no dey, all the poles where you see the Omo, all of them they go down. You understand? They take all of them come out. Now this road now from Abia Tower, you go pass straight, now they go Amachara. That place will get the school of nursing. Then you go they go down. Now another people will be say this road go fair for, you understand, will be say as they pass this road, now they see the construction, now they smile, they happy. Now people will be say they go Onu-Imo, go trade, they for more here, go Onu-Imo, go buy market or go trade. Now if they see this road, now they put it, they bless the person, and the able governor will be saying na flag of this road, they bless and they pray for them anytime where they pass through this road. Now if they see that logo, now Kremborg, now they handle this road. You understand? They go handle them from Abia Tower down to Onu-Imo. You don't understand? If you never subscribe to my channel, I beg, just help me click the subscribe button and notification bell above, so that whenever I drop a new video, you'll be notified. And so not just the poles that are going to go down, some demolitions have already taken place here, and maybe there will be more, I don't know. But this, removing of these poles and the demolitions is just to give way, you understand, for the road expansion, so that Anabakanoza everywhere manama, you understand. So this is Umuokpara. Yes, this is Umuokpara. So I'm taking you down to Onu-Imo. So kindly watch this video down to the end and tell me what you think in the comment section. So as you can see, work is going on everywhere. It's heavy duty trucks, men at work. No be say they go do maybe gutter this week, then you no go see people wey dey work for site until after 1 month. No, work is going on here. Massive work is going on here. You understand? And now for case in Ifewano road, you see they are still even digging more, more holes where the drainage will pass through, because the drainage never construct and finish. They see they do am. You understand? Work they go on here rapidly. So guys, watch the video down to the end. Please, if you haven't shared this video, click the share button and help me to share this video.